Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachman, and today we have a video of a new arrival. This is a 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. Very striking color combination. Has the white hull sides, silver boot stripe, chrome graphics, and stainless rub rail for an extremely clean and crisp look. So we'll walk around back, step aboard, and take a look. First, you'll notice this boat is powered by twin 350 horsepower Mercury Verado motors. Excellent performance, quiet and smooth operation. This boat does have underwater lights. See on the starboard side of the transom a telescopic boarding ladder handle. We have the cross tie cleats, rod holders across the transom. Very nice pass-through battery charger hookup. Over on the port quarter, we have a live well. And scanning forward, see the leaning post with an additional live well and sink. Of course, we'll see, right now we're in entertaining mode, so we have the rear seat down, very comfortable seating for the journey to your destination. Once you get there, if you need a little additional cockpit space, simply fold it up, integrated right into the boat. Seating Whaler does so well, and you have plenty of cockpit space for a day of fishing or entertaining, playing around at the sandbar. This boat is equipped with the trolling seats under both gunnels, so you can pop those out, sit under the shade, watch your lines. Very comfortable helm seating area. Twin bucket seats with armrest, flip up bolsters. You want to stand, simply flip your bolsters up. Very comfortable position. This boat is absolutely loaded up with electronics. We have a Raymarine VHF, Fusion stereo, upgraded JL speakers, twin Raymarine Axiom Pro displays, which gives you all your functionality, chart plotter, echo sounder, and the Vessel View 4 for all your engine data. Very nicely laid out dash. Moving forward, see plenty of pass-through space, and we're greeted by the amazing lounger. Nice thing about this, you have extremely comfortable day seating. Even a ride out to the fishing grounds is a pleasure up here. Entertaining, wonderful place to sit. But the nice thing with this seating configuration, you remain fishability all the way forward. And we are greeted by additional seating up front, storage underneath. Another nice thing about this lounger is the immense storage that is underneath. So you can see twin buckets. If I jump down there, it's over waist high. So plenty of space to store your fishing rods, all your gear. And we'll finish off with a fully integrated windlass, operated from the dash or a wired remote. Plenty of room for road. If you'd like to know more about this amazing vessel, my name is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. Give me a call. Come on down and see this boat in person, or check out any of our other in-stock inventory in our indoor showroom, or set up a demo, get on the water today. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. Hope to see you on the water soon, and thanks for joining.